Hi everyone, today we're in Module 4 of Level E of VMath, Understanding Fractions and Equivalents. We are on Lesson 4, so turn to page 21 so you can follow along and take notes. All right, so getting started. So we did this in the last lesson. We have shaded over the total as the fraction. The numerator is on top, denominator on the bottom. So shaded, we have 1, 2, 3. So we'll put 3, and then our total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3/8. So we would write that as 3/8. All right, so now here is a set. So it says the number of green balls is 1, 2, 3, 4, and the total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the green over the total is 4/7. So 4/7 of the yarn balls are green. So we would say 4/7. All right, next one is number of yellow cubes. We can see we have just one, and the total number of cubes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 6. So 1 out of 6 are yellow. So we would say 1/6. Next one says shade 7 of the stars yellow and 3 of the stars blue. So let's shade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are yellow, and then 1, 2, 3 are blue. So total yellow was 7, total blue was 3, and the total of all the stars would be those added together. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7/10 are yellow and 3/10 are blue. This says write the fraction that names each part of the set, then write the word form of the fraction. So purple, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 purple out of the total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4/9. So we would write this as 4/9. Orange total and number 5, we have 1, 2, 3 are orange, and then the total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3/8. So we would write that as 3/8. Next one, in the crayons, we have total number of red is just 1. We'd have 1 red, and then the total of crayons is 3. So then we would say 1/3. And the last one here, number 7, the total number of green is 1, 2, 3, and the total number of triangles is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we would say that is 3/5 is the fraction. That's an F right here. All right, so if we say writing a fraction to represent a part of a set, it says using symbols. Here we have 4 yellow stars. It says count the number of items in the set with a specific feature in common. This is the numerator, so we can see that there are 4 yellow stars. Then it says count the total number of objects in the set. This is the denominator. So there are 6 total items. There are 6 total stars. So then it says write the fraction in numeric form by writing the numerator above the fraction bar and the denominator below the fraction bar. So yellow is 4, total is 6, so 4/6. Then you write it out. So you write the fraction in word form by writing the numerator in words followed by a hyphen. Then write the denominator as an ordinal number. If the numerator is greater than 1, the ordinal number is written in plural form. Okay, so on your own, you're going to complete page 23. Follow along in the video again if you need help. Otherwise, good luck.